This call is from the Department of Social Security Administration. The reason you have received this phone call from our department is to inform you that there's a legal enforcement action filed on your Social Security number for fraudulent activities.
Oh my.
So when you get this message, kindly press 1 before we begin with the legal proceedings. I repeat, press 1 to speak with our officers directly. Have a nice day.
Thank you for your response. We would now like to transfer you to a poll taker for just a few more questions. Please stay on the line.
Social Security Administration, Officer Mike, how can I help you?
Americans, there have been 43.1 million confirmed.
Oh, that was so mean of me.
Across the nation since